Hey everyone, it's Chris again from Lerch RV, located in Milroy, Pennsylvania. And today, I just want to do a quick walkthrough review of the brand new KZ RV Durango Gold G385 FLF. This fifth wheel, once I walked into it, I've seen other front living room, rear bedroom, bath fivers in the industry in the last couple years, but this one just totally blows me away as far as the thought and the creativity, the fit and finish, just loaded with features. It just is a truly amazing fifth wheel to see. Just do some quick specs. Dry weight, it's about 12,860 pounds dry as it sits there on the lot, the way it was delivered from the manufacturer. Overall length is about 41 foot 10 inches. Has a 12-gallon gas electric hot water heater, amongst some other great features when it comes to appliances. Just starting in the kitchen, one thing that truly blows me away is the chef's appliance package. You have a over-the-counter 30-inch convection microwave oven. You got a 3-burner stainless steel grill, plenty of cooking space on this bad boy right there. Built-in oven right next door to it. You got the Samsung French door refrigerator, the freezer on the bottom. Just some quality features. Another big surprise, which a lot of people don't know, the Durango Gold does offer, is a built-in dishwasher. Frigidaire built-in dishwasher that I can't open. There we go. Got to get the correct. You got to be smarter than appliance. Stainless steel interior, 2 pull-out trays, enough for you and your husband on the camping couple or the solo individual that's going to be utilizing this unit as towing across country, permanently parked, full timing on the road, whatnot. You have every available feature. It does have a washer and dryer prep area in it. I'll get to that a little bit later here on the review. Stainless steel sink. One thing I love about the Durangos is the legless dinette tables. There's no legs, nothing to sit 4 people in there comfortably. You're not going to be tangled up in a pedestal or table legs or anything like that. It does extend to give some extra eating area. Before you step up into the front living room, lounge area, whatnot be, you do have a built-in central vac system. Built-in handrail. I love this. Right on along the front of the coach, you have a 50-inch LED TV. Large electric fireplace below that. It does produce some heat. It'll ward off some late fall chills, early morning chills during the spring camping season. Generous storage in that entertainment area up there. It's truly amazing what they've done with this. This coach is 101 inches wide, so you do have the wide body layout. So it does provide you extra room for more storage, more living area, more whatnot inside the coach. Wonderful leather sofa. Slide out right off across, another opposing slide out sofa. Going back to the theater seating, Thomas Paine. Theater seating's been around a while, but this one really, truly, it just is another great example of what they're doing. You have, you got your lights that does light up. You got your ambiance, your undercarriage light of the theater seating itself. Cup holder lights up. You have heat built into the sofa. You have massage built into the sofa. Looks like 3-setting massage, high, low, medium. And forget about the rip cords, the pull strings, the draw strings. You have a fully power recliner. For those of you who've never owned a power recliner, I have 2 in my man cave at home. Actually, I got a whole complete between power recliners as well as power sofa. I love them. Never had an issue with them. They seem to hold up very well. But it's just another awesome feature that Durango is offering its customers. Plenty of countertop space you're going to see from kind of an aerial shot into the kitchen. Nice pendulum lights. Great finish in the woodwork. It's rich. It's not dark. It's not overbearing. This coach is very well lit. The furniture is a light colored, which, you know, you get away from all these dark earth tones, and even a coach of this size, I mean, you want lighter colors. You want to be able to have it lit up. Great windows, allow a lot of natural light in all through the front living area. The slide outs all have windows on the end walls, the main wall. Again, into the dining room slide out. You have generous windows. If I would put that window shade up, that's a huge window. And every window opens. Off the kitchen, large pantry. Motion light activated inside there. Nice 4-shelf pantry. Probably can go 5, but you're not gonna, if you put one up there, you're probably not gonna be able to retrieve the items you leave up there. Beside the pantry, right off the kitchen area, half bath. So this is a bath and a half layout. You have the main master bathroom in the rear. You do have a half bath right off your kitchen. This area here is quite large compared to what you're going to find in a lot of other fifth wheels. They just offer large countertop space, almost resident. Oh, it's residential size. Now they do offer a little bit smaller stainless steel sink, but you only need to wash your hands in this area. Max Air, a fantastic vent powered fan in the half bath. Kit's little storage up there, large mirror. Coming off the half bath, you're going to find the LCI, One Control, My Control, RV Center. This offers all your owner's manuals, how to troubleshoot things. It has a little instructional how-to videos. Back to the main screen. You control your awnings. You control your HVAC. This is your thermostat right here. Everything's built. It's all push button, all available at one touch. You have dual climate zones. You got the climate zone in the bedroom as well as the main cabin. You can level it. You control all your lighting with the push of a button. Like kitchen chandeliers, kitchen countertops. You can see the little yellow lights as I push them go off. You want to turn it back on, it recognizes it and lets you know that light is on. Back to the main menu. Again, you control your slide outs. This is your monitor panel. It built in. It tells you how everything is. It's just another valuable. I believe there's actually an app that ties into that. Back into the main hallway, it's the actual main entry door. It leads into the hallway, separating the master bedroom, which is kind of a mid-located master bedroom, from the rest of the coach. Large coat closet right here. Excuse me, stepping into the master bedroom. 72-inch by 80-inch walk-around king. Generous size, padded headboard. Large, tall slide out with overhead cabinetry, which is well off the bed surface. You could sit up in bed and watch TV. Even if you're 6'5", 6'7", you're going to be able to sit up in bed and watch the opposing television, which is behind me right now. I'm going to pan around, walk-in closet. It's deeper than the majority of the wardrobes you're going to find on the open range products that we carry. The Sprinter, some other high-end. No, Sprinter's not high-end, but the open range products are a higher-end fifth wheel, and they do offer nice wardrobes. But this is truly walk-in. I'm 5'7", and I can walk right in here without even touching mine. Again, motion light activated light as soon as you enter the wardrobe. Washer dryer prep as well. Designed for, you could do a single combo unit, or you do have enough room for a stackable washer and dryer. Back around the king bed. Pan around back here to the door side of the trailer. Nice dresser, 4-drawer dresser. There again, another window, and voila, more overhead storage cabinets, built-in entertainment system for the bedroom TV. One thing you're going to see, this does have the residential return for the AC, so it is a quiet AC system. One thing that I shouldn't show this because it's supposed to be a secret area, but it's going to be well known. One thing it's kind of neat. Your dresser top actually lifts up to have a little secret storage compartment in there. You can store your whatnots, your laptops. Big enough actually for a MacBook or a smaller travel laptop, and whatever you want to hide in there. And I'm pretty sure the way this is designed, you could actually install a locking mechanism, even a magnetic lock. So that's something you could probably do if you're handy. A little DIY. Walking from the bedroom into the master bath, which is at the rear of the coach. Large vanity top, another stainless steel sink, built-in medicine cabinet mirror, just residential quality. Another built-in cabinet, overhead storage cabinets, max air, fantastic vent, powered fan, another window, residential shower with seat, built-in shelves into the corner shelves, sliding glass door. Plenty of height being on the main deck of the coach. Again, if you're a tall camper, you're not going to have any issues when it comes time to shower in this coach. I'm going to show you the inside of this built-in medicine cabinet with the mirror. It's recessed into the wall like you'd find in any residential construction. Just truly amazing. Just the attention to detail and the thought that went into this. The layout and amenities of this coach is unbelievable. The designers at KZ did a great job. As I said, it's the wood, the combination of the wood, the fabrics, the blind styles. It all goes together really well. It fits like a glove. It's not a dark unit. It's very well lit. Even if you turn off the LEDs that I have on with the windows, the amount of sunlight that comes into this coach is just amazing. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of it to highlight some points. I hope you get a chance to come step in it yourself. If you're looking for a full-time unit with a great 4-season package on it, it is definitely time to take a look at the KZ Durango Gold products. The outside are truly amazing. They went with a lighter, almost back to a white exterior with some great graphics. It's aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Tons of storage, tons of features, and it's just the small stuff, as I tried to point out earlier, that they do a great job with. So if you're looking for a luxury unit that offers a chef's kitchen, dishwasher, washer dryer hookup, large television, great countertop space, and great fit and finish, come take a look at the KZ Durango Gold 385 FLF. You won't be disappointed. Come see Central Pennsylvania's largest towable RV dealership. Come see why we make RV buying easy.